Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having issue with your hard drive filling up very quickly or seems automatically for no reason on your Windows computer. It will play for whatever device as well guys. Let's fix that. If you are using any disk that is filled up, let's erase the unwanted things guys. Go to search menu and type disk cleaner. Disk cleanup, open it. You want to select recycle bin files. I am having nothing, already done it guys. Select this all cache, everything is temporary file and everything select on here and clean up system file, click on it. And click OK. Are you sure want to permanently delete all these files? Click delete guys. This cleanup and utility is cleaning up unnecessary apps only. Go to search menu, type create a restore point, open it. Go to your main disk configure. Want to turn it on guys. System protection. Want to max your usage. You can use 100% or I may recommend to do this 10% guys. And delete all restore points for this drive. Delete it. Click continue and click OK. You want to apply this for apply it and OK. Close out of here. Thanks for watching my video guys. I hope this tutorial will definitely work for you guys. Thanks for watching my video.